Hypothesis testing, a statistical method for decision making. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether there is enough evidence in a sample of data to support or reject a specific assumption about a population. It is a crucial tool in scientific research, business, and everyday decision making. We have two types of hypothesis testing. Number one is null hypothesis. This hypothesis is proposes that there is no difference or relationship between the variables being studied. It is a default assumption that we try to disprove. The number two is alternative hypothesis. This hypothesis proposes that there is a difference or relationship between the variables. It is the hypothesis we are trying to prove.
Seventh step of hypothesis testing. Number 1. State the null and alternative hypothesis. Number 2. Set the significance level. A common significance level is 0.05, which means there is a 5%. Select the statistical test that is most appropriate. Find the critical value based on the chosen test statistical and significance level. Number 5. Calculate the test statistic. Number 6. Compare the test statistic to critical value. If the test statistics fall within the critical region, reject the null hypothesis. Chance of making a type error.
Example of a word problem. Pharmaceutical company wants to test the effectiveness of a new drug for treating high blood pressure. They randomly select 100 patients with high blood pressure and divide them into two groups. 50 receive a new drug and 50 receive a placebo. After 1 month, they measure the blood pressure of all patients. So the null hypothesis, the new drug has no effect on blood pressure, and the alternative hypothesis, the new drug lowers blood pressure. Significance level is, so the significance level is A equals to 0.05. Test statistic, t-test, assuming the data is normally distributed. Critical value. For a two-tailed test with A equals to 0.5 and 99 degrees of freedom, 100 patients minus 1. The critical value is approximately plus or minus 1.984. The computation, the researchers calculate the mean blood pressure for each group and perform a t-test. The calculated t-statistic is negative 2.5.
Conclusion: since the calculated t-statistic negative 2.5 is less than the critical value negative 1.984, the researchers reject the null hypothesis. They conclude that a new drug is effective in lowering blood pressure.